Here's how Bindbee connects with Google Workspace to retrieve unified employee data. Bindbee integrates with multiple HRIS systems and provides unified data across all of them. B2. B companies can connect to their clients' various payroll and benefit systems and receive unified data, instead of manually integrating with each one. They simply connect with Bindbee and they're set. They can connect multiple systems and receive data in a unified format. We provide integrations across a variety of HRIS and ATS platforms. We connect with these platforms and provide employee data, payroll data, employment data, time off, timesheets, dependent data, and compensation data, among others. To connect with any system, simply create a connector, fill in the required details, and select a system. Here we are connecting to Google Workspace. Once the magic link is created, it can be shared directly with the client. No manual steps required. The client connects through this link. Here we can see the scope. We are only pulling employee data from Google Workspace. Only these specific fields are pulled. Click Allow and Continue. Select the admin account. The scopes and permissions are visible. Click Allow. The connection is accepted and now successful. Bindbee will now start the sync job. These fields are normalized. Once the sync completes, we can start fetching data. The sync is complete. You can view the full logs here. We only create a token and call the employee directory endpoint, visible here. We only hit this endpoint to retrieve user data. To fetch data from Bindbee, use the API with your API key and the correct connector token. The API key is already entered here. Now we paste the connector token and press Enter. The data from Google Workspace is returned. Only the selected fields, first name, last name, ID, and work email, are synced. No additional fields are included. To retrieve data from a different HR system, we simply swap the connector token, paste it in, and run the same API call. Workday's data is now returned in the same normalized format. By simply changing the connector token, clients receive consistent, normalized data across any system,